Hello everyone, I'm Lae Lae. Today I want to talk about kale and cabbage. Kale, also called leaf cabbage, and belong to a group of cabbage called brassica. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamin C and K, iron, and a wide range of other nutrients. I bought two types of kale seeds, a drift variety and a Borico Nero di Toscana. Oh, difficult for me to say. The seed seller promised they would grow well in the English weather. The RHS said that it is one of the hardiest vegetables and will stand up to even the harshest winter. The RHS is the Royal Horticultural Society, and they are the go-to organization for advice on any plant. I did my homework and found out that kale prefer rich, wood-drain soils, but will grow in most soil types. It likes sun, but will also grow in shade. Most variety of kale grow into large plants, so need plenty of ground space. I planted these in a plastic container and they are just about ready to plant out in the raised bed. Now I'm going to put 3 plants in line. I also bought some cabbage seeds called Lae Lae inferior. Difficult to say. Again, the seller said they would grow well in winter. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck with your planting. See you later.